Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 door and window filling and sealing guns. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 is 6 Speeds Electric Glue Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Yeartop. Power source, battery. Use, home DIY. Motor, pure copper motor. Thrust, 600 kilograms. Speed, 6 speeds. Battery, 2.0 Ah. Applicable glass hose, 300 milliliters. Origin, China. Number 4 is 1 Electric Caulking Gun. Specifications. Brand name, 1. Power source, battery. Use, home DIY. Motor, pure copper motor. Gears, 4 gears. Maximum pushing force, 250 kilograms. Push speed, 200 millimeters per minute. Battery life, 60 minutes. Origin, China. As the item number 3 we've selected, cordless electric glue gun. Specifications. Brand name, Patchuo Pro. Power source, battery. Customized, yes. Rated voltage, 18 volts. Use, home DIY. Motor, brushed. Gear, 6 gears. Origin, China. Number 2 is Electric Caulking Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Rexlo LXB. Power source, battery. Material, plastic, iron. Voltage, 18V to 20 volts max. Working current, 1 ampere. LED lumens, 450 LM. Working pressure, 120 kilograms. Rack propulsion speed, 0 to 220 millimeters per minute. Motor speed, 0 to 16,500 revolutions per minute. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Makita Electric Glass Glue Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Makita. Gears, 4 gears. Voltage, 18 volts. Power source, battery. Motor, brushed. Origin, China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.